Hey guys, it is Sunday and I don't know why, but I'm feeling like vlogging this whole week, so I'm actually like back to myself. I don't know if you guys also had this, but after the new year I was in such like a I don't know, stagnant state where I couldn't do anything because I was overwhelmed with all the possibilities and all the things I had to do. Basically, I have this squishmallow with me for emotional support. I'm going to make a list on my notes, but starting next week I need to do so many more things. You guys, okay, let's do this together. If you're also in a state of like you can't do anything, grab your journal, make a list, and let's do this together. Anyways, let's get started on the reset, I guess. I made lunch. It is very balanced. I stopped by that bakery and got this thing here. It's like a cheese croissant or something like that. Anyways, so it's filled with cheese. It was bigger, but one thing I want to do more of this year is to be balanced. So if I have something that is a little bit more greasy, more, you know, like processed, I'll try to have half of it and replace the other half with better options such as like a salad. I have some carrots here and some hummus. I have my phone here and I'm going to play a YouTube video, I guess. I actually want to start watching anime again, but I don't know where to start. I don't know. Let me guys know if you have like recommendations. I like very chill anime. It's like very cozy.
And I was like, no, you came all the way out here. We're gonna have a fun LA day. And honestly, I thought it would be a lot more boring. Just sit here in my room and talk to this camera the same thing that I did. I don't know what else to say. This was just like the best year I love about myself. But experiences where I was me, but at the same time also I need to show up.
I literally just went over the whole house and did like a very in-depth like cleaning. I didn't mop the floor, but I did like the dusting. I wiped the surfaces, I vacuumed. We took down the Christmas decor, so there was a lot of things like on the ground. But now I'm about to do my like everything shower. So one thing I love is to prep my clothes for tomorrow, especially if it's for like a workout, because I tend to, like in the morning I'm like so comfortable watching like YouTube and sipping on my coffee or matcha that I don't want to move, you know. So especially if I'm going out, like if it's supposed to be like a walk outside or like I need to head out, I like to prep my clothes that way. I don't have this option of like not going because, or like an excuse to not go because I don't have my clothes available, you know. Like for tomorrow I'm actually just going to go on a podcast walk. Good morning guys. Today I really wanted to like rebrand my YouTube and all of my platforms. Now I have been switching my bios like 100 times, but now I really want to sit down and think about the new year, like what type of content I want to do and kind of like give my socials a rebrand. I'm going through my old YouTube videos and it's so funny, like it was totally a different person, but she was so cute. Coffee tastes good today and I need that to get that motivation to actually do some computer work, you know. Now I want to trim my bangs because as you can see, like it's really bothering me the fact that it's that long here, because even though I don't want to have like the full-on like straight bangs, I like to have like, you know, this very kind of curtain bangs, but like very short, like not the huge curtain bangs, but just this one, you know. I need to trim just these pieces here. These pieces also have grown so much. It is greasy, it is normal. I'm going to wash it. I'm about to get ready very quick and then we need to go wash the car. Okay guys, so I am at the station. There's this old man and I went to ask him because I never used these machines and he explained to me vaguely how they work. So yeah, anyways, let's see how it goes. Guys, so we came back from shopping. We actually had a little coffee date, which I posted as a short form. After we took out the Christmas decoration, we realized that some places, like the top of this furniture, looks a little like too empty. So we decided to buy some fake plants because we do have a lot of real plants and we don't want to overdo it, obviously, and like too much plants isn't like good for you, but a few are good. So we did fake plants. This one, it's really cute in this cute little bowl. We have these two that we're gonna put on top of the furniture, and this one also on top of the furniture. I think it's super cute. And then my boyfriend got me another syrup, which is the Monin creme brulee, and I'm so excited to do like creme brulee like lattes with this. It's Actually, let me just smell it and tell you guys if it's different from the pumpkin spice and the other ones I already have. Ooh, okay, it does smell different. It smells nice. I can't wait to try it in drinks, but it really smells good. Okay, then, oh, I got these because I wanted to try them with my boyfriend, because I actually tried them already. They're so good, I love them, but I wanted my boyfriend to try them. I don't know if it's gonna be something he likes, but just try it once, you know. And finally, I got myself this cute little mug, because I love imperfect things. Like if it's like something doodled or like this, you know, it's not perfect, it's just, I don't know why, I think it's so aesthetic. That was it. I'm now going to put everything, like the plants and stuff, in their place, and I'm going to do my Sunday reset because today is Sunday. I already filmed a reset for you guys, but I'll do this one with my headphones on and just focusing on it, getting things done, and I'll see you probably tomorrow for more organizing, because I need to organize my coffee station. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay guys, I just have one thing left to do in order to kind of like have my life together, and it is to organize my coffee station. I did make a hot chocolate bar for the holiday, and now it's just like a big mess, so I want to organize it better so that way I have like my cute little coffee corner. Okay, so yeah, let's tackle this. So basically it's this mess. So that's what I'm working with. I put a lot of things in this, and I'm just going to remove everything and start from scratch. I might actually even change the whole layout of this, except this is good where it is, but maybe the coffee machine goes there, the fruit basket goes somewhere else. So yeah, let's get into that. Okay, so this is our little coffee corner. So I put my cute little mug here with the matcha, some other like pre-made drinks, some caramel and some vanilla. I left out these because they still have things in them, and I just don't know how to use them if it's not for this. And I thought, you know, like it's still winter, so if I want to make myself a hot beverage, I can always like put some marshmallows. If I want like a white mocha, I can add like the little star chocolates and melt them in my coffee to make a mocha, and the sprinkles will just stay here for the aesthetic, I guess. We have the whole lineup of Mona syrups. I am obsessed, you guys. It looks so cute. I think that I'm going to buy, you know, the little pumps that you can just add to them, so that way it's easier to, you know, serve some syrup to yourself. And it just looks like such a cute little coffee shop. I don't know, it's giving me coffee shop vibes. It's maybe because of the Mona syrups just lining up like this. And then here we have grounded coffee, and these are like coffee pouches, I guess. I don't know what's the name, but it's for the machine. However, I bought a low quality one, so the coffee that is coming from the machine is not good. I don't know, I have to figure this out, but yeah, that's the vibe here. Okay, now I have to tackle this cupboard here, because it is where I store most of my tea and coffee and like other things to make my drinks. It is a mess, so I'm just going to take everything out, wipe it, and reorganize everything. I wish I had a tea organizer. I feel like it would look so much more aesthetic, but it's not like I don't need it. Like, I don't need it. I'll just leave everything in its box. It's fine. My hair is falling down. I did some heatless curls, but I wasn't able to leave them on for too long. Anyways, let's tackle this big chunk. I'm now going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it and it motivated you to also get your life together. Like, I think that I'm definitely gonna be making another video like this one because I still have things to figure out. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye. Perfect timing.